All right, Monday's highlights from GreatStockPicks.com live trading chat room. I hate to use the word highlights. It's another one of those days. Let me start off with the SPY, where the SPY grinding down, long base, grinding down, and really no bounces held. It reminds me of that one day last week. So very tough. Couple decent calls, I suppose. I hate to even use the word decent. Let's talk about Kohl's here, KSS. I actually called this twice. The first long was right here, and the stop right here. Didn't last very long, stopped out. Called it long one more time right here on this green candle with a stop right here, a little bit wider. Let me get the numbers. Yeah, it was 50.69 with a 48 stop, so a little over 20 cents risk, and it did make it to 51.10. It did this nice pop up. It took out the high of the day, but then came back down, and I went ahead and killed it flat. So even though I called it a 50.69 and it went up to a 51.10, which is a 41-cent move in our favor, I don't feel right bragging about it because I took a flat because the market was just so weak I didn't trust anything. And let's get the drawing tool off here. And I do want to talk a little bit about something that we're starting to call in chat. MTW, I didn't use the announcements feature, but I used the main chat room. Told everybody I like this one. Short right here with a stop right there, and we did have some members make money on that. The short idea was right below this candle, 1674 with a 1688 stop. Now again, it wasn't an official announcements call, something I'm playing around with a little bit, and I'm really liking the results. Basically a failed breakout play. So you'll see more of these in the highlights and highlight videos coming up. This is certainly a market where shorts are going to work much better than longs. The SPY's in an ugly place right now. So today was another one of those days where the SPY just grinded lower all day. I didn't find much of anything. For example, SEE, I called it long at 22.51 right here. Okay, this basically worked. Called it right there with a stop right there. And like I said, it basically worked, but it only went to 22, whatever that was, 22.74, 22.75, and it took from here to here. So what is that? 3 or 4 hours, and that's the nature of this weak market right now. And I did take 17 cents on half, something like that. But certainly, again, nothing to brag about. I am very optimistic for the rest of the week, though, playing failed breakouts and other things. Just a very, very weak market right now. So, look at our results page. You're going to see a lot more shorts going forward. I don't have a lot of shorts from the past, really from the past 8 months, but I'm convinced now that you'll see a lot of them on the results page going forward. So I don't have much to talk about other than those failed breakouts are looking to be very promising. Keep thinking there was another one. No, I didn't have any other official calls as far as failed breakouts go. And like I said, I made a little money on SEE. That's it. Just a weak market. And, looking forward to the rest of the week. Definitely a more short frame of mind going forward. So we'll talk to you tomorrow night, hopefully with a highlight video that can highlight some of these new strategies that we're talking about. Have a good night.